I'm going to show you how to rotate shapes. So let's say I grab this and I move it. All right. And this is a long rectangle, but I want to move it so it's standing up. So it looks like a flagpole because I want to put a flag in my city. The way to rotate it, first you want to click on it because right now nothing is selected. So I'm going to go over it till it turns into that symbol right there. That's the select and move tool. I don't want to move it, but I do need to select it. So I'll click once. And now you can see all of these little squares. Those are your resize squares. So those are for making it bigger or smaller, but I don't want to do that. I want to rotate it. So look and see there's one more symbol here, not the squares, but up here, there's a little circle, right? Ooh, and look, when I hover over that, my mouse changes. Now it's a plus sign. The plus sign means that I can rotate it. So click only when it turns into the plus sign. Click and hold down with your finger, and with another finger, you're going to move until you rotate the way you want it. There it is. So that's how you rotate objects. Let's do another one. So I want to use this as a building. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, I want to rotate it. So first I have to click on it so that it's selected and my computer knows which shape I want to change. So click once, look for the little circle, hover over it, click down, and just experiment and pull and move until it looks the way you want it to go. If it says 90 degrees, then that means I've rotated it exactly enough to be straight up and down. But it doesn't need to be perfect either. I'll let go, and there it is. And now I can move it where I want it to go. So remember to look for that little circle, and that's how you rotate.